protected keyword. Let's create two classes, test and test2. They don't have any relationship, and they are in the same package, Entra package. So let's create a protected integer count, and let's create a method that try to access this count. Okay, so we can do that because it's in the same class. And if we want to access it from this test2 class, which is a different class, and let's just call test object as t, and then we try to t.count, and we just print it out. Okay, so then we can also access it. Okay, so then this means it has wider accessibility than the private keyword, even though this count is inside another class, but we're calling this count from the same package. So then this is allowed. Okay. So the same rule applies to the method. So if we have a, let's say this a method is a protected method. And then this t can be used to call this protected method because they are in the same package, test and test2. Okay, so this is protected. And from here, it's very like the default method, because if you don't have any keyword, then this is a default method. The default method applies the same rule, like we have the default accessibility basically is like the same package can access. Okay, but let's see if we create another package, call it Entra2, and I'm gonna move this test2 class to Entra2 package. Okay, we just refactor it, and then you can see suddenly this test2.entra, Entra2 package test2 class, okay, has this many errors. Okay, so it's not public. Okay, it's because it's a default accessibility. Default accessibility only allows same package access. If we change it to protected, well, things change. Okay, you can see nothing will change. It's still same error, but this error now is like you're protected. Okay, so basically protected and default are identical in terms of the package access. Like if the class are in the same package, then they can access the default or protected. But protected has another fold. Okay, means like if we have a subclass that exists in another package, let's say the test2 is a subclass of test. Okay, so in this case, actually this test2 can access the parents method, which is protected. Okay, we can also print out count. In this case, you can see in the test, now we have a protected count, protected a method. And in the subclass test2, which is in a different package, can still access the parents method, okay, which is protected, and the count field, which is protected. But if we remove the protected, okay, we come back, and now you can see you cannot access, right? Because this is a default access modifier, right? So if you don't have nothing there, then you cannot access from the child as long as they are not in the same package. Okay, so this is the protected keyword. Thank you.